Where'd you go?
Now?
No, where did you go?
Tell me you go now, okay?
Where did we go a little while ago?
Now?
You and me and Dad and Sister.
Carnival.
And what did we do at the carnival?
I'm playing on that big thing.
What did we ride on? Huh?
We ride on that boat.
On a boat, huh? Bumper boats.
Yeah, bumper boat.
And what did Daddy ride on? It made him sick and want to throw up.
The zipper. A zipper.
The zipper, huh?
Yeah.
Stephanie, what did you ride on?
The bumper boats.
The bumper boats and the Ferris wheel, huh?
But I like the bumper boat because whenever you turn around, you kind of get dizzy.
That's the most fun. I like the bumper boats the best.
Yeah, me too.
That was the most fun, huh? Daniel, you were scared at first, huh? But once you got on the bumper boats, you weren't. The bumper boats, you weren't scared anymore, were you?
No.
Okay.
You finished
He wants a
barfing?
big kiss.
Daddy lost all his
He wants a big
meal that he
kiss.
just bought us.
He
What
wants-
meal? What meal?
Not me.
What meal? Sorry, it couldn't go on the zipper.
I tried to warn you.
Look
I almost didn't get to go on it.
Look at Daniel's nude.
Wow.
Oh, somebody almost saved you from it, huh? See Daniel's new Ninja Turtle underwear?
Look.
I like it.
I
Isn't
see
it
it.
nice?
Look. I see it. Yeah.
Don't pull your toothie out.
But no why.
Who are you?
About it.
Did that ride wipe you out?
Mama.
That's been that something.